Good afternoon. This is Judge Alyssa Perez resuming the criminal docket for the 210th District Court for January 11, 2022. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we're streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Calling cause number 2019-0D04903, State of Texas versus Kevin Gomez. May I have announcements, please?
Roa King for the State of Texas.
Omar Carmona for Kevin Gomez. Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Gomez is appearing from the jail annex. We are set for a probation status hearing today. Mr. Gomez remains in custody. This is one I think we visited many times. I'm actually just not recalling. Ms. Pineda, are you there?
Judge.
Where did we last end up on? I don't know if someone was going to speak with Mr. Gomez. Obviously, this is one, Mr. Carmona, I know you're very familiar with. We've kind of really been working with him and ultimately started having issues again. So, Carla, can you, let me see previous summary.
Judge, we were basically waiting to see on the new case, the new charge from August 24, 2021.
Okay.
We were pending. I need to double check if that's been, I know it was a P file for a while.
Judge, it has been charged.
Yeah, we have a new, what's the cause number, Ms. King?
2021-0D03092, engaging in organized criminal activity.
Is that the assault? It's an assault. It's a party. Is that the one? I'm trying to remember.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Alrighty. Do we already have that one set up, Chris? Is it set for anything?
Yes, Judge, we do. Next hearing will be January 20th, the arraignment.
Okay. All right, Mr. Carmona, we're set. Well, we're just set for a probation status hearing. Have you all, now that Ms. King's with us, have you all discussed anything with respect to Mr. Gomez?
Your Honor, I've not had a chance to speak with Ms. King, but I can make my, make my pitch. I was hoping that, I'm not going to deny, Your Honor, that my client was in a situation that he basically put himself in. He was definitely at the wrong place at the wrong time, and Your Honor, you had very clear rules with Mr. Gomez because you have dealt with this before, and Mr. Gomez, and you have put him back on probation before. But Your Honor, my client is adamant that he had nothing to do with the weapon that was involved with this case, Your Honor, the new case. And we do believe that probation still has a chance to work with Mr. Gomez given his age, Your Honor. Mr. Gomez is not hanging out with the same group he was when my client went to this party. He was with a girlfriend. Your Honor, was picking up a girlfriend. So we are hoping that at some point probation and the court would be willing to work with Mr. Gomez.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So it looks like our dates are kind of all over the place here. Chris, what we need to do is, in terms of the review, I think pretty much I need a little more input from the DA's office on the new case to see what it is they're going to want to do. I have to think about how, if we were going to go back to probation, how we're going to tailor that, kind of based on their assessment of the new case as well. What I am seeing though is this inconsistent dates. So I have the probation case coming up again on the 25th, but our arraignment on the new case is on the 20th, and then they're just dates. Chris, what we need to do is cancel the probation, the 2019 settings, and just attach or have them track on the new 2021 case. So we'll be coming back on the probation case at that 1:20 setting, and we need to probably do that at 3 p.m. Unless, Omar, you're okay with doing it it's currently set at the morning slot. Basically, I want to know if Ms. King, I don't know if it's going to be too early. I know it's arraignment, so it's just super early, but if you have some inclination by that date or the following, golly, we have a judges conference just the following week, if you all are looking at probation on the new case. I mean, if you are, as best as you can tell me that, I mean, we may be able to figure this one out. But I'm gonna need to think about it. Mr. Gomez, you've been in jail now a while, and I didn't really want to see you back there. But I don't know what this new case, how bad it is. We're gonna find out. Okay, so that's what I want to do, Carmona, is just track the new dates, and we'll see where we are on these first two arraignment and judges conference. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
all right, we'll see you all then.